what is the number one skill in the business? If we talk about the one thing, the most important thing, then what should be that? That is growing yourself. And why is that? Why is growing yourself is the most important thing? For understanding that, you have to understand first why we are doing business. To get money? To get income? If I ask you which type of business will give you more money, maybe someone say that one and the other say that one, but this is not the right way to think, because the type is not important. The level is the main thing. If you go with the any type with the small scale, you will never get more. Rather than you will go with the large scale, because level is the main thing. After understanding that the level is the main thing, how you can level up your business. Now this is the most important part of the video, that you have to learn the chain reaction. And what's the chain reaction? Here is you and here is your business. And if you want to level up your business and you think you can do that by staying there at the bottom level, it will never work. So first you have to grow yourself first, then you can level up your business. And how you can grow yourself? By growing your abilities. So you all has the ability to grow your abilities. So do that so that you grow yourself, then you can grow your business level and you can get more money. I hope you understand. Thanks.